Hi, this is the Galaxy A24 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner that's on this device. So I just tap my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the fingerprint unlock method works here fast and correct, and we just unlock the device successfully without any problems, just in the half of the second, and this is the really good result for the fingerprint scanner. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.